What is a passive income? A passive income is income you're getting from something you've created in the past. So you publish a book and you do nothing with it. You don't advertise with it. You don't promote it on anything. You don't do anything else with it. You forget about it. That's a passive income. The royalties from that book are passive. If you can continue to advertise with it, continue to have to check it, update it, or whatever you do with the descriptions or the social media, whatever platforms that you've got it on, it's not passive. The product's finished, yeah, but you're still working. I mean, to be really passive, you've got to have finished with it, done with it, and money is coming in for however long it's wherever it is. That's passive income. And that's the goal of the majority of self-publishers, is to create that passive income. So whether that's print on demand, publishing, audio books, anything at all, if you're finished with it and you don't have to do anything else with it, and you can just leave it, for the time you're not doing anything with it, you're not promoting it, it's passive income. As soon as you start updating it and advertising it, it's no longer passive at that point. So it's quite simple, really.